I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the hardware and drivers. Install the Focusrite control or driver package, then connect the interface directly to your Mac with the proper USB cable. Once done, power on the unit and watch the status LEDs. They confirm the device is recognized physically. Make sure sample rate and clock source on the interface match what you plan to use. This avoids clicks later, so take a moment now to verify firmware updates and that the device is responsive. Next, configure Mac OS and Logic. First, select your Focusrite in System Preferences sound for input and output so the system routes audio correctly. Then open Logic Pro X and go to Preferences Audio. Choose the Focusrite as the core audio device. Set the sample rate to match the project and pick an I/O buffer like 128 for a balance of latency and stability. Finally, enable the specific inputs you need in Logic's audio preferences, so now you're ready to record and monitor. Create an audio track in Logic, set its input to the correct Focusrite channel, record enable the track, and enable input monitoring so you hear what you play. Adjust the input gain on the interface, not in software, and use direct monitoring if you need near-zero latency. If you encounter problems, check the USB cable and ports, confirm sample rates match between device and project, and reinstall drivers or reboot the Mac. These steps fix most connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.